Join me on the mat for some pure core work. This is 5 minutes of intense core exercises. So this is kind of at an intermediate level. There are 10 exercises I'm going to be doing, 30 seconds of each exercise. It's one after the other, no breaks, but it's 5 minutes. So see how you go. If you need to stretch out at any point during an exercise as a need to have a break, then by all means do that, but just get straight back into it once you've had a little stretch out. So I'm going to start with plank to downward dog. Just to wake our body up a little bit. Stretch out that back. And your neck, because your back muscles are used a lot when we're doing core work. And then after this, we're going to go into a 30-second plank. So hold that plank for 30 seconds. Now make sure your feet are sort of hip distance apart, if not a little bit further, so you've got some stability, some balance. And your hands are directly underneath your shoulders, and you're squeezing your butt cheeks. So that'll help you stay stable. We don't want a butt party, so no thumbs in the air. All one level straight line from your neck down to your ankles. Right, next exercise we're going to go into is Russian twists. So going from right to left. Like so. Great for your oblique muscles as well. If you wanted to add on to this, get a dumbbell or some kind of weight. Right, next exercise is flutter kicks. So with feet going up and down. Now, I want to make sure that your back is engaged in the floor, so if you brace for a punch, your back is engaged. The higher up you go, the easier it is. The lower down you go, the harder it is. Do not let there be a gap between your back and the floor. If there is, that means that you are, it means that the exercise level is too high for you. So next one is scissor kicks. So we're holding the back of our legs and alternating legs. Again, please ensure that your lower back is touching the floor, that it's fully, firmly on the floor. If it's not, then take the level down. Next one we're going to is bicycles. Now, modification, you can tap if you need to with the heel. If not, stretch those feet out. A bicycle is not coming up like that to do a full crunch or full sit up. It's just moving your elbows from one knee to the other. Obviously, again, the higher your legs are, the easier it is. Right, next one is just a straight up crunch. So just bring your shoulders off the floor. After this, we're going to be doing a crunch, but alternating our elbows to opposite knee. So there we go. One side to the other. And after this, we're going to be doing oblique heel taps. So, slowly moving your shoulder, so you're not moving your head like this, shoulders are up, and you're touching the outer side of your shoe, or get into your heel. This is great for your glute muscles that are down the side of your abs. And then finally, we'll do a frog sit-up. So frog crunch. We open our legs, feet together. This is the last one. That is your 5-minute workout. Short, but intense. And relax, stretch out. Your back. Feel that nice stretch in all your body. Your fingers in one direction, your feet in the other, so you can really feel that stretch. Roll over onto your front. Let's do a bit of a cobra stretch. Hands out. Oh, that stretch feels good. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the 5-minute core exercise. Let me know in the comments. It's intense, but you can do it most days if you want to build a stronger core. I hope you enjoyed it.